Hey guys, first of all, thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Just want to let you know this video jumps around quite a bit. We went from fair to cleaning stuff out for fair to fixing combines and getting everything kind of ready for the combine demolition derby and kind of getting some things ready for harvest. We're not quite 100% ready for harvest, but kind of just prepping for it. Also, this video is shorter because I'm running out on data and storage on my phone, so I have to get that fixed. Hopefully it's done by the next video. I don't know when it's going to get done. I've just been so busy. So appreciate you guys' patience. Appreciate you guys' support. Take care. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. And guys, keep being awesome. God bless you. You're watching JT the Ag Guy. And today, well, we're backing up for fair. It's so sad. I got the fair blues, guys. We got one truck already cleared up, but we're going to start up this truck and get it all cleared out. Very nice. You ready, Maggie? Huh? You ready? Just gonna open this on up and what the? Someone was eating on the job. Hang on a second, guys. Excuse me, pig, but were you guys eating on the job? Found this in the truck. It wasn't you? Alrighty then. Hey, cows, how you guys doing today? Were you guys eating on the job? No? Oh, okay. You want the box? I'm just messing. What about you, little cow? Were you eating on the job? You look awful suspicious to me. Just messing. So large amount of the stuff's actually going to go in the barn, like this bucket, that feed's got to go, these big black buckets got to go, the fans, all that. Pretty much except for this. This is a show box. I think this was our beef show box this year. And, no, it was a pig show box. Basically, it's kind of our little box where we keep kind of miscellaneous stuff we might need for showing. So, yeah. So, as you can see, I cleared out some of the stuff.
The next day.
So, we're working on some combines today. We just started working on the 4400. Everything else seems to be okay with it right now. But it's not one to turn over and start. So, I'm thinking, talk to some people I know. I think it's something wrong with the starter, or it's something else, like one of the wires might be grounding out. I'm not quite sure yet. I'm just trying to figure it out. But right now, since the derby's so close, we're going to start working on Mater. So we just found one of the signal wires was loose. So that might actually be causing what the problem was with the starter. So we're going to tighten everything up, make sure it's working good. So if this is what it is, then that's good news. If it's not, then that means something's wrong with the starter. So hopefully this is what it is. Well, we got it working. There was just a couple loose connections and some corrosion that was causing the problem, but luckily it was that and not a $200 part, so I'm pretty happy right now. So I figured I'd explain real quick exactly what was the problem with the 4400. I didn't get a chance to do that earlier today, so here we go. The part I thought I was going to spend about $200 on is the starter here in the back. I wasn't sure what was wrong with it. I just knew everything we were trying wasn't working. Everything seemed like it was pointing to the starter either having to be replaced or some part of the starter having to be replaced. So me and Dad were out here trying it again one last time before we really were like, okay, we're going to have to replace something else. And Dad noticed there was some smoking coming from this positive right here. And there's actually a couple connection points on here, but this connection point specifically was the one smoking. So we cleaned it off and ignore the thunder in the background. I know you can kind of hear it a little bit. There's a storm coming in, but I want to show this to you guys. Anyways, we noticed it was smoking, or he noticed it was smoking, said something to me. We cleaned it off a little bit, and we put the connections back together, and we actually were able to get the combines to start. So I went from thinking I was going to have to spend $200 on a part to fix my combine's engine to basically just having to clean off a couple pieces of connections and got the combine to work again. Moral of the story, guys, is look through everything, make sure that you're reading your manuals, make sure you're going through the whole entire piece of equipment, because while you might think you have to spend $200 or $500 to fix a piece of equipment, it might just be a 5-second simple fix. Hope you guys enjoy. See you in the next one, and God bless you guys. Also, keep an eye out for my next video, because there might be something new coming to the farm.